EasyJet series large format printer is a classical model, which is one of our hot sales machine for many years. It supports 1/2 printheads DX5, XP600, or i3200 printheads. Fits your different budgets and printing resolution requests. It is a multifunctional printer. As Ecosolvent printer, it can directly print many materials like vinyl, car stickers, flex banner, tarpaulin, painting canvas, salve, photo paper, and so on. As a sublimation printer, it can print sublimation paper to make full-color clothes.